Nobody receives a free car. Yes, that is what people are telling me on my Facebook page. Nobody receives a free car, as if I'm lying about it. If it's not true, it's seen as false advertising, and I don't want to get into trouble for that. I must think that I must change my name to Mrs. Nobody, because I did receive a brand new car registered on my own name on the 18th of November 2019, and there are several others who did the same. This is a legal system that is producing more results than I could ever dreamt about. Imagine pensioners growing their incomes by thousands of rands per month, stay-at-home mothers earning unlimited incomes while looking after their children at home, or debt-ridden employees being able to pay off their debt. It's unheard of, but I can prove every single cent of my 6-figure annual income on my bank statements. And I did receive that free 250,000 rand car as part of this company's amazing incentive program. However, this wealth creation system does not produce results on its own. You still need to meet the criteria to get to that numbers. It takes work, and I think that is the part people do not want to hear. They want cars for free and big bucks without doing anything, and that is never going to happen. But it is doable, and if you put in the effort, you can surely reap the rewards like I did. It is simply a tool created by a 69-year-old registered, listed and licensed company that allows all South Africans to earn an unlimited income. What more do you need? While others are waiting for jobs to miraculously appear, we are using technology to generate reliable incomes. Hi, my name is Lynette Barnard. I'm from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa, and I'm an independent contractor sharing information on how I created an asset-based income, online and offline, using technology and without selling a single product. With a phone and an internet connection or a PC, you can use the system from anywhere in the country. I'm currently a rank 11 wealth engineer, owns a free car as part of their amazing incentive program, and are looking forward to a prosperous future here in South Africa. This system could do the same for you. As a brand new business model, it's brilliant, and for the first time in my life, I'm in control of my income, and it feels good. For something that's not working, I'm earning a lot of money over the past 294 months in a row. There are numerous networks currently running in South Africa, but all of them are selling products, while this super online wealth creation system requires no selling at all. Network marketing is currently seen as the distribution method of the future due to the simplicity and the enormous income potential it's offering to the average person. But it has gathered a lot of negative feedback over the past couple of decades. It has been proved as a legal distribution system in various courts over the years. This new hybrid of direct selling and multi-level marketing forms a new way of distribution where the company allows their own customers to generate incomes by sharing information, and they have set up their online presence to take care of all the selling and explaining. It is a super duper idea and could not arrive at a better time in our lives. Customers now have a stake in helping this company to grow and benefit every month on all the paid products in their channels of distribution that they have themselves created. We know that brokers are doing this for decades and makes lots of money creating book values. And now it's our turn to benefit in the financial services without having to comply with all the strict rules and regulations that is governing the financial services industry. The use of technology allows all this to happen. It offers a legal way to earn an unlimited income from home, your office, your practice, wherever you are living. You don't need special education or knowledge or even expertise, but only a willingness to succeed. You are creating leads for an insurance company and get paid handsomely every month on all successful debits that derive from you and your team's effort. Are you now selling insurance products? No, you are contracted out of any selling and are only sharing the information on the system and get paid on every successful connection you make. But let's look at a few people I personally know and who I can vouch for who made a success out of using this system. These are ordinary people who became multimillionaires using this unique and remarkable wealth creation system. Ordinary people that lived ordinary lives and made a single decision to change their circumstances. And they did it. I know a lady who was a nurse back in 1997. She could not afford a product every month, but she realized that she needed to do something drastic to get out of debt. Otherwise, she would drown in it and lose everything. Her marriage was very shaky, as this is what happens when you put too much financial stress on a marriage. She used some of her grocery money to join this business, but regard it today as the best decision she'd ever made in her entire life. When I saw her the first time, she was really shy, a typical nurse, and I thought to myself, if she can do it, so can I. She joined this business and signed up a friend who joined not because of the money the opportunity is offering, but he was serious about getting his life back. He was working as a contractor at a large mining house. Although he earned good money, he worked from early in the morning to late at night and could not afford to take leave because they worked on a no work, no pay contract. He was seriously committed to make a success out of this new opportunity and soon became the #1 earner in the company, and she benefited from all his efforts. 3 years later, this nurse earned more than R1 million out of this business and bought herself a blue Mercedes compressor cash. Do you know any nurse who can afford to buy a Mercedes compressor for cash? There are lots of multimillionaires using this system that I personally know. It's not strangers from another country, but they are living among us, and I know all of them very well. Do I need to say more? You can get more information at 082 783 5661 or simply visit my website at www.perpetualincome.org. You must have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.